how to send message and start chat with anyone on Reddit mobile app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the individual's username whom you want to send a message. You will then see the Start Chat option. Tap on that. Now, in the text box you see here, go ahead and type in the text that you want to send, and further tap on the Send button, and with this the message will be sent. Note that if the Send a Message or Start a Chat option is unavailable, the user may have restricted private messages in their privacy settings. So, this was about how you can send message and start chat with anyone on Reddit mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.